ho eye asemi di kabre ena asun mede ne akwasi insara sekesem koma Professor E.K. Wallace sasu na fia mankwa tabaklo so the health tips ebre yen mame boatma so de ahonsepe ebre asemi di ka enie anapadiam no won komotiawa sebi mpanifo a yede oman ahwe omonsa ye timamfo ade bia ahomete na ehye ebufu me kire video bi ma be kan story bi de akire hwe video yi da o TV so hwe se de esum adru enkranfa bi se mia odo a hwe o TV ne so enye se street light ni ho street light ewo sa bia ya hunu sa esum yi nyina hwa na eso amaye ni odi ye hwe de esum adru ye enkra ko dwom ni mia wodo a street light enya adwuma mama fa ko business and financial times so sada me kire wade bi sebo sumi bia wa yusu postpaid ye wobehu ekaya yisigi4 edebro no ye twafa bi ye fe no street light levy. Now for the past 2 years Jessica street light levy ediama Ghana street lighting levy rakes in 273 million Ghana cedis in 2 years. It at least ufan say ye check pepe na every year biani ye nya be 100 million Ghana cedis from street lighting kwa levy na editm na me sure street light levy ya uchia o na obi na de ema no ne ochi so bia wadwen enkoso manfa nsianom. The 3% levy or charge all consumers of electricity for street lighting has generated 273 million Ghana cedis of revenue to government in 2018 and 2019. Energy Minister John Peter Amewu said when he appeared before Parliament, answer questions from members last Thursday. It's street light levy, 3%. And street light in Yajuma. Nansen yisi yifone bambom pen phone na mafiefiem e twaman fo kaniem sada ya yentwia ye bills wa be wa so be challenge no emra no bedi because emra is on the side of ECG. Who is on the side of the average Ghanaian? Who is on the side of the average Ghanaian? And I make a to the bia na matemamfo buofu at least for kakra no. Because once on mine 8 year timamfo dia at least for you din and they are cool with it. They are okay. The system can suffocate amanfo no. But amanfo ne ko this system ne ka dia boy ye fa ne kokot why na dey I system ne kokot on behalf of timamfo why you just 3% for street lighting our Ghana am yenya quantity of 273 million Ghana cedis. That is 2.73 billion old Ghana cedis. And yes, I found ya betiji o. Ya titi ni enya ewo mu no. Timamunina odi yisidika 50 Ghana cedis. 200 Ghana cedis no. Yisidi akwa kotwa ne nkaniem. But timamuni krona etwia no just street light na sigo enya street light say so man dia emfo bia ho because timamuni obia anwen timamuni no obia anwen ho because timamuni ni kama for who can say oh aba na ni wafase aba na ni papa aba na ni mame but aba na tete timamufo no mo mame ni papa no aba and the street light in Yajuma. Add a street light enya adwuma. One echire ma kire yen. One eka bibi di akire yen. Add a street light ewo yeman mu enya adwuma. Why? Ade. Ana ye de ye ka mo di police for be to ahye so ntino ma ye nkasa na. Ada na James kana aban ebu me kwasea. Me na se me sisi aban a e ka the police for the sojafo e tata me. Me na so dem say me dua library e ka police for the sojafo e gira me kwa no. E to me pno e be se twa me kaniem. Afemi twa ma ode a why you not giving me the service? Aban ti be bomb kron ma dem ti mu aban kron no. Aban betimi abame krono aban betimi awia me aban betimi ahyema konfo ba me de betimi nya aban bi street lights kana ko ha o hwade wa ha me no ko Ghana web am for Ghana web na me hwade wa energy ministry not mandated to fix street light napo mebo am sanfa nko okay FM online na hwade wa okay FM Adem okay FM. Tio Ghana web say na po say enye energy ministry said ye say o me fix street light. Fine. Tie Greater Accra Regional Minister Henry Kote assures Ghanaians energy minister will soon fix street light problem. Eh radio my be pa na radio yapo. Odi aba be dua bi. Hey! Oh my baby. Ah, oh my baby, ade. Hey, ni asabwa. Ah? Why na ye na said you so fix street light in Ghana? Street lighting levy no ekro hwan ho. Ah? Ekro hwan ho. Eno no obi am so betima kire ye. Ye de enim nyina se e banka ne ahwasoma energy ministry ne dan no ne Ghana fo enim no om na me nka ne a ye ne enim a no ese ma amia wo ne anua no ne enim se banka ne ahwosem a energy ministry ene e ba maso ye. Where from this confusion? If Henry Cote enim ana ananapo na nya awe. Because it's simple. Semra who I bought street lights in Obanya, and can confuse you. When the energy minister is telling us, say, and then the ministry now said, this will fix the street light. Now the Greater Accra Regional Minister, you are also able to say, pam, say, energy minister or general Makate, so Obe fixes. Everything I'm Ghana, we are more papa. Hey, you want somebody poor, my Ghana. There was some pa ebonipo. These are our leaders. And penfu edu my Ghana ashom side no. Me say street lighting levy no why what they call? Because the last time I'm checking from Energy Commission, I'm see emba omo. Energy Ministry see emba omo. Why energy says sika no? Why ya? Why ya? Please, if we fight for Ghanaians, Aban ACC, IGP, fight for us, yay, fight for us. Your TV is assuming they do baby. And then from Oponglo, Equa Duko see airport, share street light. Yes, a bin wo, Unam Sumusa from Oponglo. Unam Sumusa, motorway crowd airtime. Je sais le motorway etu tu asedi afa na street like crown send so ya me hu ya mobo da bia me ka so me akanifo abadwen ye ho na nya pesame nkuminya akanifo akanifo be oni responsibility and they'll fix the challenge. These are the kind of leaders we need for our country. Me dey akwasi nsia asemi de kene e de pense mu etwaso.